If you're looking for a way to add some real, guaranteed stability to your financial plan, then you are definitely in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how this financial tool can help you build a solid foundation for your future.
So, first things first, what exactly is a fixed annuity? It's a great question, because it doesn't really fit into the usual boxes like stocks or bonds. Let's break it down.
At its core, a fixed annuity is basically a contract, a deal between you and an insurance company. You give them a lump sum of money, and in return, they guarantee you a fixed interest rate for a certain number of years. It's built for that part of your portfolio where you absolutely, positively cannot afford to lose money.
Now, there are three core features that really make this thing tick. First, your principal is protected. Your initial investment is safe. Second, the interest is guaranteed. You know exactly what you're going to earn. And third, all that growth is tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on it until you take it out. That combination provides a really unique level of security.
Okay, so now we know what it is. But let's talk about why it's so important, especially in today's world. How does this actually help you deal with all the uncertainty in the market? This is such a critical question for anyone planning for retirement. A lot of people are shocked to learn that when interest rates go up, the value of their safe investments, like bond funds, can actually go down. That's what we call interest rate risk. So how do you protect your savings from that? Well, this visual really highlights the fundamental difference. Bond funds, you can see, are vulnerable to those market swings. But a fixed annuities value, it's locked in by a contract. It is designed from the ground up to be a stable anchor in your financial plan, no matter what the markets are doing. All right, let's get practical. Enough with the theory. How can you actually put a fixed annuity to work in your own financial plan? Let's look at how this plays out in the real world. You've probably heard of a balanced portfolio, something like the classic 60-40 model. Well, a fixed annuity fits perfectly into that 40% safe money part of the pie. Its job is to balance out the risk you're taking with your stocks, making sure a portion of your portfolio is always on solid ground. You can really think of a fixed annuity as playing two key roles. First, it can be a replacement for CDs or bonds, getting you out of that market volatility and often with better tax treatment. And second, if you've already maxed out your 401k or IRA for the year, it's a way to keep saving for retirement with tax-deferred growth, and get this, with no contribution limits. Now, it's really important to say that a fixed annuity is not the right tool for everyone. It's just not. So let's run through a quick little checklist to help you figure out if it's a good fit for your specific financial goals. This table lays it out pretty clearly. If you're a retiree or someone getting close to it, or really just anyone who wants predictable returns without that market risk, it's probably a good fit. But if you need instant access to all of your money, or if you're a really aggressive investor trying to maximize growth in the market, then this is probably not the right tool for you. Okay, we have covered a lot of ground. So what's the big takeaway here? What's the one thing you should really remember about fixed annuities? So the crucial point is this. A fixed annuity isn't meant to compete with your growth investments. It's designed to complement them. It provides that strong, stable foundation that lets the rest of your portfolio handle the market's ups and downs with a lot less stress. If you're interested in learning more about how a fixed annuity might be able to help your financial plan, the Annuity Expert is here to help. We can help you compare your options to find the best fit for your unique situation. And our services are always free. You can reach us at 770-755-1565 or visit our website at annuityexpertadvice.com.